You've probably heard that beards for men, it's like a makeup, that women just love a dude with a beard. But here's the thing, not all beards are created equal. Not all beards actually make you look good. Matter of fact, some beards I even question why you even grew that thing out. Today, boys, I'm gonna make sure you go down the right path. I'm gonna make sure you choose the right beards that actually structure your face and make you look more attractive. Let's hop into this. Number one, the 5 o'clock, the shadow, the stubble, whatever you wanna call it. This one we already know. Out of all the beards, I've seen and read countless of studies and surveys, this one always ranks number one. This is the nice low and tight that looks like it's just starting to grow out. It looks the cleanest, it structures your face, it gives you that edge of masculinity, it's perfect, it's easy to take care of, and again, it's not over the top. This one, when in doubt, you want a good beard style, this is the one you start with, and this is the one that you know will make you look good. Number two, they're completely shaved off. Here's the interesting part. If you don't have a full beard, this beard style, and at least this survey, came in second place. Most women responded back saying that clean shaven was a clear second right after stubble. The reality is that if you don't have a full beard, growing anything else out just looks bad. It looks like you're a still kid going through puberty trying to grow out a beard. So if you're in that stage, just shave it off. Or alternatively, try to grow it out. Like, do something actively to fill in those patches. One of the best things that you can do, get yourself a Derma Roller. I've told you time and time again, see, Derma Roller, scientifically proven, has been shown to help stimulate hair growth. And well, your boy's gonna help you out. See, this October 16, we are dropping our new heat grooming collection. And you already know, see, the problem that I saw in the market is that most brands don't develop tools for men. Tools that men can use to make themselves look better. So we did that with heat. We started developing tools that I knew you could have in your bathroom that would look sexy in the bathroom and would also make you look sexy, that you could use to work on yourself. Well, this one's gonna be the new tool you can add to your tool chest that every dude should have. See, a Derma Roller does two things. One, it makes your skin look flawless, removes fine lines and wrinkles, any skin unevenness, any skin scars. It minimizes these by allowing those micro needles to create minor puncture wounds that activates the skin's cellular regeneration. This is something natural we already have. So when you activate that, you're basically forcing your skin to create new skin cells that make your skin look flawless. Well, it has a similar effect for your hair follicles. It stimulates hair follicle growth, and it's been shown to help grow some of those areas that might be patchy. You can go on forums, you can go online, you'll see the before and afters. This stuff actually works, and the crazy part is that it's affordable. Boys, this Derma Roller, chances are it's probably gonna fly October 16th. We are less than 10 days away. If I were you, put a reminder on your phone. 10/16, 10 a.m. Eastern, we're dropping our new Derma Roller. If you're a dude that wants to start building out your beard and make sure it's nice and even, this is a good natural product that you can use that has zero side effects if you use it properly. If you guys want to check it out, like I said, put that reminder on your phone. This stuff's gonna fly. Number three, I call him the Beardsman. This is the dude that has the locks. Like, the dude looks like a lumberjack. Think like a Jason Momoa type. Now, the key to winning this hairstyle here, make sure you keep it tight and trim. All the wiry hairs that might be plucking out, you want to trim that down, and also keep it nicely brushed and even. Once you do that, think about a beard, especially at this growth, just like your hair. You have to shampoo it, you have to condition it, you have to trim it, and also you have to brush it. These are standard. If you don't do this, you're gonna look like a madman. You're gonna look borderline homeless. Just to give you an example of how good you want it to look, a peak hairstyle, this would be something like Dan Bilzerian. If you looked at that man's beard is always perfectly kept. Which rolls us on to number four, the scruffy or heavy stubble. This is just one step up over the stubble, but not a full beard yet. It's kind of like that in between, and the attractiveness here comes out of the ruggedness. It's kind of all over the place, but it's low and tight enough that it doesn't look messy. Now, the line that you do want to draw to make sure it doesn't look messy is you want to clear up the neckline. If it's starting to go into your neck, that you want to clear off, and you also want to clear out your mustache. If the mustache is going into your mouth, it's getting too long, you want to trim that area as well. Number five, the faded beard. This one's simple. It can work with the stubble to the full beard. Basically, all you want to do is ask your barber, if you use a fade on top, have him also fade the fade into the beard. It actually looks pretty sick. It's been in style in the last year or so, and it looks good if you're the type of dude that has coarser hair. So if you have curlier hair, usually black or Latinos, we tend to do this a lot because our hair is more coarse, so it's harder for us to brush our beards straight. So doing this style, well, it's kind of sick. And finally, number 6, the structured beard. See, the powerful thing with the beard is that you can literally change the shape of your face, and one of the best ways to do it is with a structured beard. The trick here is if you have a circular face or maybe a very squared off face and you want that nice definition on the jawline, easy. You want to keep your cheeks low, so you want to trim them tighter to your skin, and then this area, the center area, you want to keep it thick. This is where you want most of your hair. What ends up happening is it gives you that oval slim down effect where it makes it seem as if you have this insanely sharp jawline. This is something simple you can ask your barber to do, or this is something that I personally do at home. All you got to do is use basically 2 different clip guards, one that you use on this side and then a thicker one for the middle area. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget our Derma Roller that's perfect for growing out your beard drops this October 16th. That's it for me today. See you next time.